what's coming up for you? Well, let me just say, Michael's also a dancer, and an amazing dancer. I was trying to incorporate something where he could play the piano and do a little dance, even though I'm not his dance teacher. But I just thought it would be good to showcase him a little bit, because he's just so amazing that we couldn't do it, could we, next year? Can you tell them what they might want to watch on TV in a couple of weeks?
On June 24th on Lifetime, there's a new show called Abby Studio Rescue that my studio is on. So, yeah.
Has anybody watched Abby's Studio, or what else is she called?
Dance Moms.
Dance Moms? Okay, well, she came here, and it was Michael's dance studio, so Michael will be a part of that. So, what's the date again?
June 24th.
On Lifetime?
On Lifetime.
Lifetime, June 24th at what time?
9 o'clock.
PM? AM? PM. All right. Good job. Okay. How's it down? Okay. Michael said, I like singing because I like harmony. I want to sing on Broadway so I can dance, sing, and act.
Hello, my name is Michael Harmon. I'm 13 years old, and for today I'll be singing I Believe I Can Fly.
There's nothing to